Hello everyone and welcome back to another devlog. Just real quick before we get started, I just want to thank all of you guys for the support recently. It has been quite incredible. So I want to thank you all. And with that, let's get into it. Starting with equipment and stats are now updating correctly. I have gone ahead and implemented it. So as you can see, I can now re-equip all my stuff as before, and now it actually updates correctly. Everything is keeping track, and I have the armor stat there, so I can always see how much armor I have equipped. I didn't set it up properly. Darn it. Beta. Everything is beta. If anything, early on. Well, this part I checked. This part works great. This part, I guess not so much. It's just replacing it with the last thing I put in. Every time I do one of these, I find the next thing that I need to fix. That's what these things are always great for that. But the other thing is we now have a new character here. You can see he's gonna try to find me, and then he's gonna try to hit me and probably succeed. I'm currently wearing armor, so he's not doing that much damage, but you can see he's now hitting me. I haven't fixed the camera collision you saw there just a moment ago, but eventually if he loses me, he'll go back to his patrol, and he'll unequip his weapon. And if I sneak up behind him, currently he doesn't hear sound or anything, and I hit him, he will draw his weapon, and then he'll go again. Probably better to do it when he's from behind. Let's actually grab something easier. Okay, here we go. He doesn't notice me, and if I come over here and I hit him, while he's patrolling, he'll immediately get aggroed, and he'll start running after me. So there you go, and then he'll try to hit me, as always. Now, one thing to note is the weapon he has equipped, I can change. So I can, of course, change it in the blueprint, but I also have exposed it. So currently he has the golf club equipped. If I want, I can go ahead and just change it for the hammer. So I can just type in hammer here, and automatically he'll have a hammer now. And if I walk in front of him and get his aggro, he'll now hit me. Now in the top left, you can see it says knockdown damage. I have implemented damage types. So this one does a different damage type. Currently it doesn't do anything different, but effectively, I do get hit. Eventually he will kill me, of course. And I will respawn. I'll respawn with 0 health. That I have not fixed yet. But, the one thing to note is this attack, this damage that I take, is entirely dependent on the weapon he has equipped. So the entire equipment system, effectively, that I have on my character, and here, and all the damage values from these weapons and items, now he can have equipped. I'm able to control everything. So currently I have it set up just for the main weapon, but for example, if I, instead of a hammer or club, I put in a greatsword, which is a two-handed weapon, and I spell it correctly. Obviously I wouldn't be putting these manually in. I would set it up in the blueprints later on, but for now, there you go. Now it's on his back. Now currently I do not have a setup where he's going to draw it from this back. He doesn't detect it yet, but the weapon now will do more damage, as you can see. And if I did pick, it will do even more damage than that. And look how much damage that does. So it automatically adjusts accordingly. Another thing I've incorporated is the ability to hit him from the front, and he'll move backwards. So if I hit him from the back, he'll move backwards. If you hit him from the front, he basically moves away from you. I should probably remove the very powerful weapon from him. But if I, let's go ahead and swap it out. But if I'm using this and I kill him, oh God. Well, you can see he disappeared, as in disintegrated. And eventually, yeah, there he goes. The weapon also just disappears currently. Eventually, I am planning to have it also disintegrate probably with him, but they do separate out. There's also a new targeting system. So if I just middle click on him, I can target him. And it's now just a simple dot in the middle where it tracks him. Of course, he can still follow me and everything, but I now follow him around. And as you can see, there's a health bar above him now. If I click again, it deselects him. I can also just move too far away from him. So if I keep moving back, eventually I'll be out of the range and it will automatically turn off. So I'm not clicking it there, it's just too far away and it turns off. But as long as I'm close and I am selected, I see his health and I can target him. And then I can kill him nice and easy. When he dies, of course, he disintegrates, as you saw before, and the XP system now below works, which is, a whole lot better than this other, the previous AI, because this is all it had, and there was... There you go. He just stopped. This was version 1. This was version 1. Yeah. This is why whenever you guys learn new things, implement them. Try them out. Always improve every day. And if you find something that works better, do it. Start doing it that way. That's what I'm doing. I've reworked basically the master AI, and I'm going to continue doing that. And we'll change up everything 10 times over every time I learn something new. Which is also thanks to some of you guys in the comments. I really appreciate it. Keep leaving those suggestions. Another quick thing that I actually updated is the turning. As you can see, he's turning pretty quick there. He's doing quick 180, and if I go forward and I turn, I finally turn at a decent rate. You guys might have noticed that before it would be a very slow turning, right? When I did 180 on my character. Finally, it's actually working properly, because turns out it was just a small little setting. It's just this guy, rotation rate. I think at one point when I was playing around with the rotate in place plugin, I made this like 120. So my rotation rate to turn was very low. Set it back to the default 360, and now he's nice and quick on his rotations, and of course I can adjust it. But man, I could not figure out for the life of me. I thought it was something else. But there you go. That's the fix. That was the easy solution. And now we have our full character, XP, stats. I gotta check out why he sees me from where he does before he actually rotates his body. Clearly, that probably should not be happening. But as always, things are a work in progress every day. With that, I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. New things are always going to be coming. Thank you again so much for all the support these past few days. It has been incredible. We've grown so much. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.